people saying ayn very perfectly. Some of them are very good at it.
Yeah.
So when even they're talking normally, it's you can feel it. They're saying ayn when they're
Yeah.
talking. But
Yeah.
I tried my best, but I can't. I couldn't have.
Yes. And
The
that's because of,
obviously you know
yeah.
the the rules. You know how to do it.
You know what? Most people don't know this. And even big reciters do this mistake that they say ayn from the back of the tongue. They move the tongue.
Mm.
Okay. And so alhamdulillah, like for whoever knows knows, and whoever doesn't know doesn't know. Alhamdulillah. So alhamdulillah, this little school here, we're teaching like this. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you.
And let's go through again the steps. So what were the steps? Step one was what? First, you forget everything you knew about ayn and everything you felt about it. So you now let go completely in your mouth, no pressure point at all. Don't. So for example, you were doing this, all right, and you had to let go of that, let go of it, and then just like when you say and you can't feel a pressure point, just like that, you let go of everything. That was the first one, right? Second step was what?
Yeah.
Opening the mouth. You open the mouth, and then after that, after you open the mouth a lot like this, it allows you to open the throat because now your space is high, is a lot of space there, so you can open the throat up. Now your throat is open.
Uh,
After your throat's open, only after your throat's open, you've gone through all these 3 steps, then you can try and imitate the sound that I give you. Ah, ah, ah.
uh,
Exactly that. And that's exactly the place for where ayn comes from. Well, alhamdulillah. Just, and I should have got this on record, but you guys didn't see it. I'm recording now, but basically before he was doing right? And this is a very common mistake, and it frustrates many people. But in the matter of a minute, just a minute, right? He pronounced ayn with these steps. And that does not come because I learned these steps from person. It came from my experience in practicing and teaching. And that's why we call it specialist training. Alhamdulillah.